I want you to know, it's not just about me, it's about you too. I know the anguish of not knowing, of feeling unworthy, the uncertainty of belief, of praying to a name I didn't understand. They told me, do this. Don't do that. Maybe, when you die, you'll go to heaven, or to hell if I misbehaved. But I asked, what if I want to live in heaven now? They said no. Heaven is after you leave this body. And I thought, the God you pray to cannot be that cruel. So I began to call, to search, to cry out in frustration, to plead with the silence, to wrestle with the unknown. And when existence began to answer, I discovered something. I am the emanation of existence. The face I see in the mirror is only its reflection. I began to understand duality and the quest for unity. I met presence and fathomed absence, because in presence there is everything. I must be in sync with my existence, and I do that only when I witness in the silence. I want you to know, it's not just about me, it's about you too.